Push to get a new property tax on the November ballot. In the last few hours, the Hillsborough County School Board voted to allow the superintendent to take legal action after the county commission decided not to allow the tax on the ballot until 2026. While some county leaders say now's not the time to ask homeowners to pay more, school leaders say that should be up to voters to decide for themselves.
10 Tampa Bay's Hannah Deneen has been on top of these developments for days now. And Hannah, the superintendent is determined to get this on the ballot.
Yes, Courtney, and this is a major step in his fight to get this on our November ballots. Now, this millage referendum, it would have been a tax that would have gone towards increasing teacher and school staff pay across Hillsborough County. But this back and forth between the school board and county commissioners, it's not about supporting teachers. This is specifically about whether county commissioners acted within their rights when they voted to delay this millage referendum until 2026. And now the first steps in this legal battle are underway.
We're going to take, full legal action, and as of right now, we've started to file that electronically, and we hope to bring some resolution.
Superintendent Van Ayers speaking moments after the school board voted this afternoon,
and it passes 4-3.
To allow him the authority to bring this issue before a judge.
Disheartening that we have to even be sitting here today and going through this, but I appreciate the board's support.
His view is that county commissioners overstepped by delaying this referendum.
In the millage referendum statute, it clearly states the board shall direct the county commission. There's no wiggle room there.
Echoed today by school board attorney Jim Porter.
Our reading of the statute is very clear that the county commission has no discretion to set the date. If we follow their logic, they could kick this can down the road and set the election or the referendum at any time in the future.
However, Commissioner Wustel says Florida Statute 1011 allows them to determine when this goes on our ballots, an understanding echoed by County Attorney Christine Beck last Wednesday.
The only way to make sense of the statute is to read it such that the board has some discretion as to timing, reasonable discretion.
Now, the 3 school board members who voted against giving the superintendent the authority to take these legal action, they cited concerns that their case was not strong enough and also concerns that the litigation fees would get too high.
Hannah, the clock is ticking, and this is a process that will have to happen quickly if they want it before voters.
Yeah, Courtney, the key word today was an expedited process. We have just 4 weeks until the November ballots are finalized. So August 20th, that is their deadline to get this resolved so that this could be on our November ballots. Now, today, the school board district says in just the last few hours, the school board attorney already filed with the court to compel county commissioners to pass through the ballot measure to the supervisor of elections. Next, the court gives the county commissioners an expedited timeline to respond to them, and then a judge would rule. So certainly a situation that we will be keeping our eyes on and of course keeping everyone up to date on over the next 4 weeks. Live in Tampa, Hannah Deneen, 10 Tampa Bay.